Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. So 8 minus 8 we simplified. Now we simplify h and h. So we put number 0 cone here. And we have 2, 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.